Happy 18th birthday! Pasensya na kasi wala dyan si Mama on your 18th birthday and we were not able to celebrate it the way you wanted it. But I still would want you to be thankful and look beyond kung ano man ang challenges natin ngayon because first of all, maraming blessings ang dumating sa atin in the whole of 18 years na you are with us, and there's a lot more, I'm pretty sure. But in view of our celebration, in the meantime, I have gathered everybody so that they can greet you as well. Here they are.
Hello, Ate Dak. Kadiri. And happy 18th birthday, Ate Dak. Kahit na masyado ka sa akin, kaya tinaaway mo ko palagi. Siyempre, mahal pa rin kita. And siyempre, sinasabi ko lang na di kita mamimiss pag mag-college ka. Pero siguro, konti lang. Pero, yan nga. Masaya ako dahil, kapatid kita. Slight lang din. And wish you all the best. And enjoy mo yung araw mo bukas. And pwede ka na magtrabaho. And since 18 ka na, pwede ka na din makulong. So, enjoy your last days of being a minor. Dahil magiging major ka na. Today nga, happy birthday from your best brother ever in the world. And enjoy. And may God bless you with more years to come. And syempre, I'm whispering kasi baka marinig mo. Happy birthday, Ate Dak. And I love you very much. Ngayon ko lang sasabihin to kasi birthday mo. Pero ayun nga, happy birthday, te.
Hello, Nak. Happy birthday, Nak. Pasensya na. So thankful dahil sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan natin, nandiyan pa rin kayo, nagsusumikap sa pag-aaral nyo. So proud of you. Yun, 18 years old ka na, pasensya ka na, hindi ko man maibigay yung wish mo na alam ko naman kung ano yun. No, so happy and so thankful sa lahat ng achievements mo. Wala akong ibang wish kundi lumaki kayo ni Johan na mabait, mag-ingat ka lang palagi, huwag kakalimutan tumawag sa taas, palagi mag-pray. Di man ako naging perfectong papa sa inyo at ginagawa ko man yung best ko. Kahit tayo sige, laban lang. Kahit anong pagdaanan natin, laban lang, dasal tayo. Nalab ka ni Papa, nalab ka namin, anak. Laging magpipray, iingat palagi. Alam ko naman na alam mo na ang tama at mali yung mga tinuro ko sa iyo. Wish ko ulit para sa birthday mo, good health at ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga pangarap sa buhay. Huwag kayong mag-aaway palagi ni Johan. Saan ka mapunta sa pag-aaral mo, walang kuan, mag-ingat ka palagi dun, anak. Love na love ka namin, love ka ni Papa. Love you so much, anak. Happy birthday, be.
Hello, Ate Dak. Happy 18th birthday from your pinakagwapong picho sa balat ng lipa. Happy birthday sa'yo. Papaya sa tinola.
What's up? Shout out kanya Janil Delmo, to my beautiful niece. Happy birthday to you. Love you all. Bye. Peace.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Dak. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Bye. Galing yan sa pinakagit mong pinsan.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Dak. More blessings to come. Birthday, Ate Dak. Enjoy your day. Mga love lots.
Birthday, Ate Dakdak! Birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Dakdak. Stay pretty, mag-aral ng mabuti at huwag mo nang mag-boyfriend ha. Good luck sa UP Visayas mo.
Happy birthday, Doc. Happy birthday, 18th birthday. Sana may pagpatuloy mo yung magandang karir mo sa pag-aaral. Yan ang magiging matibay na magiging kinabukasan mo. Tulad sa iyo na napakatalino mong bata. Samantalahin mo hanggat nariyan pang mga magulang mo na kaya magpaaral. Sana marami ka pang birthday dumating. Bilib ako sa iyong katalinuhan. Manang-mana ka sa mama mo at sa papa mo. Lalong papa mo napakatalino. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa iyo. Makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Pang sa ganun magkaroon ka ng magandang kinabukasan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Dakdak from Abreu family.
To adult, my dear Dakdak, you're 18 now, old enough to dream big and brave enough to make them real. Believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. Happy 18th birthday. 18th is the start of everything. New choices, new adventures, new you. Don't be afraid to take up and space and shine. Happy birthday to my beautiful Dakdak. You're not just 18th, you're a promise of everything good that's still to come. Trust your heart, work hard, and never lose that sparkle. Happy 18th birthday, Dakdak.
18th birthday, Yajinel. My message for you. My niece never forget how amazing you are. You're kind, brave, and full of wonder. The world is yours to explore. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dak. Marala na kita regalo ngan tis-tis lanay. Ngan ingat ka mo nida, ha? Ngan enjoy. Amula.
To my beautiful granddaughter Yajinel, beautiful like me. Char. Cheers to another year of greatness. Enjoy your day. Pasensya ka na hindi tayo nakapag-celebrate ng 18th birthday mo kasi malayo kayo sa amin. Sobrang sakit talaga na 18th birthday mo tapos wala dyan yung mama mo. Alam mo naman yung sitwasyon kung bakit nagkaganon. Sana maintindihan mo yun. Alam ko naman na mabait kang bata. Gusto ko lang sana noon na doon ko pa pinapangarap na pag mag-18 ka, hindi man naranasan ng tita Kay mo, tita Chick mo, mama mo, tita Cha mo na mag-celebrate ng 18th birthday. Ang gusto ko sana ikaw makapag-celebrate ka din kagaya ng iba. Pero hindi nangyari. Okay lang kasi baka hindi para sa atin yon. Ang importante na enjoy mo lang yung araw na 18 ka na. Sana wag kang magbabago. Maging mabait ka palagi. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Yun lang. I love you, Dak. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Daki, happy 18th birthday. So, itadi ha akong mind, mga baby pa ka muna intoy. O, dali mga baby, bagat mga bata pala, mga 7 years old pala kayo. Bagat last time ko nga pagkita ha yung personal, mga sugad pa talaga ni yung mga age or mga 10 or 11. Bagat sugad pala ito. Pero yan, ang mga dag ko na kamo. I'm so proud of you. Hit iyo mga achievements ni Intoy. Hit iyo pagiging independent. Hit iyo pagiging strong despite hit iyo kabutangan. Please pray to God nga i-keep safe ka mo always dida. Ngan sana makauli na ka mo nga di. If ever man igtugot ni Papa God after hit imo college nganit kan Intoy gyapag eskwela. Sana maging safe ka mo nga da always. I pray that you continue to be the good woman that you are. Biskan with the bagat diri gud masyadong deep or halabay aton time pag pag lalo na growing up nga diri ba kata magkaurupod ni ra Intoy bagat may dalagi hapon part ha akon nga diri ko kamo kilala ni Intoy so ganito like your interests ngan kung ano pa mat iyo mga gusto ngan what kind of people are you in a good way mo pre dumakuman kita ni ra Intoy nga higrayo so diri gud kita nakakistoryahin mo upay so hopefully sunod when the time is right ay makauli ka mo nga dingan magkiriglalay pa talaga kita hin mas deeper pa as a family. And pray ko kung papagad nga i-keep safe ka mo always. I-keep safe ka always. Nga i-guide ka ni papagad. Nga tagaan ka pa hinda mo nga blessings. Labi na hit imo pagsulod nga naka-college. I'm so proud of you. Always. Dak. Hoping to see you soon. Sana makauli ka mo't December. Amen. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Dak.
Hello, Dak. Happy 18th birthday. Adim Tita Gerald.
Hello. Padayon lang ni mo pangarap. Yan ang magiging legal age ka na. Sana maging maupay ni mo pagdarani mo. Maging babae ka maupay.
Hi, Dak. So, happy 18th birthday to my favorite, pamangkin. Wow! Kasi 18th birthday mo. Pero don't doubt yourself. Just do your best. Especially now na magka-college ka na. And thank you for being my bestie. Kahit ang laki ng age gap natin. And thank you for always supporting Tita. And because of that, I will always be supporting you too. Kami ni Tita Gerald. Yan. Enjoy your day. Next time na lang gift ni Tita kung bahala sa'yo. Okay, bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi, Dak. It's me again. It's been years since our last catch up. I wasn't really expecting to be a part of your celebration kasi nga we weren't in contact. And to be honest, I almost forgot. Hapit ko na makaligtaan ng birthday. But Ate Krish reminded me and she asked me if pwede ba ako maghatagin message for your 18th birthday. And I immediately said yes, of course. How could I say no to my 6th grade bestie and the person I think about when I hear the song Dorothea? As of the moment, I don't know what your hobbies are anymore, or the things that you like, or your current dreams and aspirations. But I do remember that there was a time when you would talk about everything and anything, and I know that we would have been the bestest of friends if only there was no distance between us. But even so, I'll always wish the best for you. I may not be the person that you share everything to, or the person that you spend most of your time with, but just know that you'll always have a special place in my heart. I hope that you continue to be a ray of sunshine, just like how I remember when we were in 6th grade, because you always have that quality that just radiates sunshine all around you, and I hope you never lose that. aspect of yourself, no matter what life throws at you. And I also wish you succeed in life, just like how we've always talked about, and know that I'll always be cheering you on, whether from the front row seat or either from the sidelines. I'll always be clapping. You know, you'll always know me, and I'll always know you. I miss you, Doc. Happy 18th birthday, my Dorothea. Love you.
Happy 80th birthday, dearest Doc Doc. I honestly can't believe you're finally 18. It just feels like just yesterday we were making memories together and now you're entering such a beautiful new chapter of your life. But I'm truly grateful that our path crossed. Thank you to your Tito Dot. You'll always be someone I will always appreciate. As you step into adulthood, I hope you never lose your genuine and kind heart. Don't feel pressured to have everything figured out. Take your time, grow through every season, and enjoy your journey. Good luck also to your upcoming college life. I pray that God continues to guide you, bless you with genuine people, endless opportunities, and a life filled with happiness and peace. Enjoy every moment of your birthday because you deserve to be celebrated. Happy 80th birthday once again, Doc. I'm always rooting for you. I love you, and I am so proud of you always and always.